Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Now right there on the trunk there will be all these clips. See that one? You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, one that looks like this, to get it off. So press down on the outside part of the clip and then use the screwdriver to screw the middle part off, just like that. Once it's off, you can just yank the entire clip off and then repeat the process for all the other clips over there. Keep all the clips safe. Now get a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and pry that cover off. Inside there you'll find two screws. Now get the Phillips head screwdriver again and get those two screws off. Oops, looks like I forgot to take one clip off. Once you do that, you can get the entire cover off. Now the problem is that the reverse light is all the way tucked in there. The white one, that's the one we're looking for. That's the reverse light bulb. So to get it, we have to get the light off. For that, you'll need a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench. Either one of them works, because we have to take those three nuts over there off. So let's go ahead and take those three nuts off and keep them somewhere safe. Let's get the electrical connector off. So press down right over there. So press down and pull it off. Get the screwdriver and pop that one bolt, the inside bolt, off. Just tap it a couple times. That's the bolt that we were tapping. And right there beside you will see a black plastic pin. Yep, that one. Yeah, press on that pin and that will pop the light off. That pin, and then from the other edge, and the entire light will just come right off. Yep, just like that. Now those are the bolts, 1, 2, 3, and that's the black pin. To get to the reverse light, just twist that left. It's loose. Get the entire bulb holder off. That's the bulb. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 921. Again, 921, that's the bulb type number. Get the new bulb, align it and push it in place. Now let's put the entire bulb holder back in the light. And the bulb holder should just drop right into the light. Like that. Let me show you again. See how it just drops in? Yep. Once it's in, just twist it right, lock it in place, and you're done. When you're putting the light back on, first you will align that pin with the hole there. Get it in. Right, that's good. Now let's just push it down from the outside edge there. And that is in. Let's put the nuts back on. Hand tighten them first. Let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on one way, so slide it on and click it. That's good. And now let's tighten those nuts. When you're putting the clips back in, make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out all the way, because otherwise you won't be able to squish the clip in. See those four edges? See how this sort of like threads out? You need to squish it together for it to go through the hole there. Put the cover on. Just put that one clip on over there. Put the middle part of the clip in all the way. Repeat the process for the second one right there beside it, and then one on the top. With these three clips in place, the cover's not going to go anywhere now. Now we can work on the rest of them in peace. Put all the clips back on. Now let's get the two screws for that handle there. Put them on and tighten them on as well. Push this cover close, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found it useful.